Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a calendar in Microsoft Excel. Are you a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves to stay organized? A personalized calendar in Excel can be a game changer. Excel offers incredible flexibility and customization options that allow you to design a calendar tailored to your unique needs. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating your very own calendar in Microsoft Excel. Let's see the steps to create a calendar in Microsoft Excel. Open a blank spreadsheet in Excel. I am leaving row 1 blank and start entering my data from row 2. In the first cell of row 2, type Monday. Select the cell and hover over the mouse at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag the mouse to the G column. This will automatically insert the days. Click on column A to select it and drag the mouse to the G column to select all the columns from A to G. Click on the Format option in the Home tab ribbon, and then click on the column width option. Enter the value of column width and click on the OK button. Let's start typing the date, for example. If a month is starting from Wednesday, then click and type date 1 in the C column. Select the C2 cell, click, and drag the mouse to the G column. This will automatically insert the dates. Click on the A4 cell, type date 6, click, and drag the mouse to the G column. Similarly, you can insert the dates in rows 6, 7, and 8. Click on the A1 cell and type the month name. Select all the cells from A1 to G1 and click on the Wrap button in the ribbon at the top. If you want, you can increase the height of row 1. Click on the color palette icon and fill in any color of your choice. Set the alignment of the text and make the bold text of the month name. Select all the day's name cells, click on the color palette icon, and select the background color of your choice. Select all the calendar cells and click on the border icon in the ribbon. Click on the All Borders option. Select all the calendar cells, click on the Format option, and then click on the row height from the drop-down list. Type a value for row height and click on the OK button. Select the weekday row and set the text alignment. Select all the date cells and click on the bold. You can also change the font size of the text, and your customized calendar in Excel is ready. Hope this was easy. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.